All right, ladies, so I told you all that I was the proud owner of some Thompson Ferrier candles. And I have just moved into my new home and I have yet to burn any of them because I'm still unpacking, still deciding where I want to display them. I have two of the gold Buddha. One of them is Apollo Santo, which is the fragrance that I like to keep in my office. It's calming, it helps me to get more centered and focused. So I can't wait to burn that in my office. And then for a short period of time, they were doing the red currant in the gold Buddha, and I have that also. And that one to me is more of a holiday fragrance, so I'm gonna save that for the holidays. This one so far is my absolute favorite, and I've mentioned this a couple of times before. This is the Orange Blossom. And for those of you who have been watching some of my lives, or if you've followed me for any period of time, you know my love for Orange Blossom. But if you don't follow me, that's fine, you can now. But Orange Blossom is the fragrance that I fell in love with in Morocco. Okay, so this one, it has Orange Blossom and Neroli, which is another more citrusy type of orange. The Orange Blossom is more of the floral part of the orange flower. And I'm gonna see if it says on here what else is in there. I can't remember, but it is so heavenly. I actually thought it was just pure Orange Blossom, but there are some other. You can look on ThompsonFerrier.com and find out the other fragrances that are in there. But today I want to show you, I got another new candle. This is the Neroli Eucalyptus. I can smell it already. My. Oh my God, I smell it already. Oh, that smells nice. You want to smell? You like it? You like it? Let's see, you're trying to figure it out. You like, oh, there you go. He always sticks his tongue out if he likes it. You like it. I do too. Oh, look at it. It's gorgeous. Oh, now I got a white elephant to go with my gold elephant. Such beautiful, exquisite packaging, huh? Oh, let me smell it again. Okay, now how do I describe this? Oh my God. Okay, first of all, this one is definitely going in my bathroom, right around my bathtub. It just seems like the perfect, like it's a really clean fragrance, floral, spa-like, light. This will be the one that I will actually light. Even before I finish unpacking and decorating, I'm gonna light this one. Okay, so Thompson Ferrier. I say it with a French accent. I'm trying Ferrier, but it's Thompson Ferrier. Or Thompson Ferrier. It's ThompsonFerrier.com. And this one, this might be my new favorite, but they both have a bit of an orange to them. This one is the orange flower or blossom, and then this one is more of the citrusy scent. I cannot wait to light these. Oh, I should light them together, my twins.